Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. So in this video, I'm going to make a program which calculate Fibonacci series using recursion in Java. So I'm going to start it. So first, 1 minute I want to explain the Fibonacci series what is and what is the recursion uh, recursion. Okay, recursion for solving the problem. Okay, so what is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series is a series in which first two term is given and next term is the sum of first two one. Okay, and recursion is what is function calling itself. We need to keep in mind both two things while solving the recursive problem. uh, First is base case and second one is what recursive call is the heart of the problem. Okay, we need to think of these two while solving the recursion problem. Okay, so I'm going to open an online compiler for doing program and execution of the code. Okay, so I'm going to directly open because I have already opened, so it is on the top, and I'm going to make a series to which I need to print 0 1 1 2 3 5 8. See here, next term is the sum of first two one. Okay, so I'm going to make an scanner class for taking user input. Scanner, sorry, scanner is sorry, import java dot util dot scanner. What is this, bro? I don't want it. Import java dot util dot scanner, and this I'm going to make an object of this scanner class. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner and system dot in. Going to remove it. Enter a number for element you want in the series. Okay. Series, sorry, here should be e. Okay, I need to remove ln for uh, uh, okay, this is done, and I'm going to take now end n is equals to sc dot next and and system dot out dot print Fibonacci series is n Fibonacci series up to sorry up to n element is okay for int I equals to 0, sorry, 0, I is less than equals, sorry, I is less than equals to, I is less than n and I plus plus. I need to write system dot out dot print what Fibonacci. I'm calling the function here Fibonacci. I will make the function Fibonacci in the top of the main function Fibonacci I, and then I need to give a space for printing, and I'm sc dot close for freezing the memory. Okay, public static int Fibonacci int n, and if n equals to 0, then return what? Return 0. And if n is equals to 1, then what you need to return? Return 1. And if it is not in both, then you have to return what? Return Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus n, Fibonacci of n minus 2. This is done. I am going to run it. I need to enter number here for printing how much element I want in the series. Okay, this is done. Our code is working perfectly, so I am going to enter another number. So what is recursion? Recursion is the function calling itself, and Fibonacci is the sum of, third term is the sum of another previous two term. Okay, so this is the code for Fibonacci series. Let's close it and keep coding. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye. I hope you are getting the important concept by this video. So thank you. Bye. I'm going to close it.